Hi, uh, this is a question from my student. It's about indices. A very short question, but it's a star question, which means it's a little bit more difficult than usual. Then she don't know how to do it, and she sent it to me. I think I can do this. I see the pattern already, right? This is 2. 2 times 3 equals to 6. I think I know what to do. Yeah, we try out. The method that we use is called substitution, which means we make a certain variable to make it look a little bit simpler for us. So we use that substitution method. Maybe we choose a certain variable. Let's call it a. Yeah. 2 power x equals to 3 power 2y equals to 6 power z. Then we call this thing a. Yeah. And we are going to express x, y, and z in terms of a. Okay, first step. We express x in terms of a. 2 power x equals to a. We ln both sides. Ln 2 power x equals to ln a. Then we are allowed to put the x outside. X ln 2 equals to ln a. X is equals to ln a over ln 2. And we call this equation 1. Yeah. We managed to get one equation from there. From this, next, we express y in terms of a. 3 power 2y is equals to a ln 3 power 2y is equals to ln a. We are allowed to put 2y outside ln. 2y ln 3 is equals to ln a. 2y is equals to ln a over ln 3. Yay. This is, I think it involves 2y, yeah? So we don't need to divide by 2. Call this equation 2. One more. 6 power z is equals to a. As usual, we ln both sides. Ln 6 power z is equals to ln a. Ln z ln 6 equals to ln a. Z is equals to ln a over ln 6. And this is equation 3. So we find this x, y, and z. Now we see this 2xy, 2yz, and xz. We try to get the expression for them. Yeah, 2xy is equals to x times 2y, which is ln a over ln 2. Yeah, from here. And this thing we put inside here, ln a over ln 3. Then we simplify further, become ln a square over ln 2 times ln 3. And we call this 2xy. Okay, And we call this equation 4. We do the same thing. We do the same thing for 2yz. 2yz is equals to 2y multiplied by z, which is 2y you substitute with ln a over ln 3, and z is ln a over ln 6. So ln a over ln 3 times ln a over ln 6. Then this one will be ln a square over ln 3 times ln 6. Call this equation 5. Now, equation 6, xz. Oh, okay. Xz is equals to ln a over ln, x is ln a over ln 2. Z is ln a over ln 6. Yes. Then this one will be ln a square over ln 2 times ln 6. This is equation 6. We are going to combine these two together. Yeah. We try to make it into common denominator combine. You know why? Because these two, 2yz and xz is both of them negative sign. So we are going to combine them. Make it into common denominator. 2yz is equals to ln a square ln 2 ln 2 ln 3 ln 6. Xc is equals to ln a square times ln 3 over ln 2 ln 3 and ln 6. So 2yz plus xz is equals to these two add up together. Yeah. This plus that. Then we factorize ln a square ln 2 ln 3 and ln 6. Then the different ln 2 plus ln 3. Yeah. So we have a common factor here. This is the common factor. Ln a square is a common factor here. All this denominator also a common factor. You can call it common factor. Then we can factorize them. Yeah. This one, we take them out, then put the bracket here. Then non 2, non 3, and non 6. This one, non 2 plus non 3 is equals to ln 2 times 3, which is 6, which means we can cancel them. And if you look at equation 4, this one is 2xy. Can you see them? Yeah. It's the same. So what is your conclusion? 2xy equals to 2yz plus xz. Then shift everything to the left. 2xy minus 2yz minus xz is equals to 0. Whew. Yeah, that one. So that's the thing. We managed to prove this. It's not too difficult, but it takes a long time for us to do this, right? Yeah. This is under indices, yeah, under indices.